Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula hair. They sent me over this kind of like reddish, brownish, I don't know, it's like a burnt type of color. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It's like chocolatey, but it also has like a little hint of red, so it's not really reddish brown, but it's more like a chocolatey type of look. I don't know, child. I'm gonna link it down below in my description box so you guys can check it out if you're interested. It's super silky. This is actually a straight wig. I wanted to do some curtain bangs, but I don't think it turned out looking like curtain bangs. It looks like normal bangs, but that's fine still because it still looks cute. Today I'm gonna show you how I layered the hair and how I did the bangs and everything. And I did throw some curls in it. I did not curl the ends. I left the ends kind of like straight. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's get right into this video. You guys, this is the end of the video. This is how it looks. This is how the wig turned out. It turned out really pretty, even better than I expected. Make sure you guys check out my TikTok because I did this makeup look on TikTok and I'm probably gonna post it on here as a short. So check the short tab and see if I posted it. It looks so good. I think it looks so pretty. If you guys enjoyed this video and you like this wig, make sure you check out Nadula hair. I will have the links to this wig in my description box, and if I have a coupon code, I'll have it down there as well. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're feeling this wig, if you're feeling this style. I feel like this style is definitely giving grown and sexy. So if you're trying to up your look, I hope you follow along with this video to cut your wig and get it to look like this. Yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.